Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making for you all something called crack sauce, but I'm making it a Trini version of course, and it's great with seafood. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. It's really easy to make, and the ingredients that you'll need for this, you'll need some beni, also known as culantro or sawtooth coriander. You'll need lime, pimento pepper, chili pepper, garlic. I'm using some wiri peppers, which we also call cherry peppers, sugar, black pepper. You'll need some ketchup and some salt. So we're going to start by placing our garlic and our peppers along with some salt into my mortar. You could also use a food processor if you wanted to. The salt acts as an abrasive and it's going to help break down the garlic and the peppers really well. And you're going to pound until it turns into a paste. Once it starts to break down, we'll add in the beni or the culantro, and then we'll also pound that until it breaks down. You want a really smooth paste, and this is so good with seafood. It's really delicious. Now we're going to squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon juice if you wanted to, but you really need that acid in here. In goes some ketchup. You can use tomato sauce in place of the ketchup if you wanted. In goes the sugar and the black pepper. I'm adding in a little bit of salt again, and then you just mix, taste, adjust your seasonings, and then it's ready to be served. So easy, so delicious. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells heavenly, fresh, crisp, and delicious. And all you have to do is dip in your seafood and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick seafood sauce. It's like a shrimp cocktail sauce, a Trini version. So give it a try, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!